So in terms of wiring, what I want to do is move this box of relays and fuses and whatnot, move this box inside the car. Thing is, it won't fit through there, so I'll have to disconnect whatever's left in here and transfer the box on its own, and then transfer all the plugs one by one. So I'll have to disconnect and label everything just to be sure I don't make any mistakes, and then see if I can transfer the whole box in, and then any possible grounds and whatnot. Okay, so over the past couple of weeks, I have removed as much wiring as possible from the car. You can see this side has become much simpler. Rewrap the wiring, and then this side, you can't take much from this side because then you start to lose functionality. I kept the fuse boxes, some relays that are going to be needed maybe or maybe not in the future. I still have to finish wrapping this area right here, but from the engine bay's perspective, this side, this is all that's left. It's all the wiring that's left, basically control the headlights, blinkers and whatnot. And same thing from this side, just this little harness. What was in here, if you guys remember, there's a box right here that has a bunch of relays for airbags and whatnot. I moved that box inside the car. That wasn't an easy process, but it cleared a good amount of space. So that box would be this box right here. And I haven't finished doing some wire management here as well. So this box will get mounted somewhere in here. This box, the ECU, will get mounted somewhere in here. I don't even know if I need the ECU. I have to look into it. But it's simple, much simpler. And you'd think like, well, you know, all that work, how much wiring could you possibly have removed? And this is it. This is about 25 pounds of wiring. This harness right here is for your HVAC. This is plug and play, so you don't have to cut anything out. You just unplug it, plug it back in if you decide to put AC system or heat back in the future. But if I do, I'm going to go with an aftermarket version. So this is about, let's see, this is about 25 pounds worth of wiring. I see the garbage bag is stretching.
Soda burns on my fingers, midnight hitting slow. Wires tangle like my thoughts, I'm just trying to make it glow. Dashboard open like a secret, every fuse another light, tracing colors in the silence, red to power, black to ground. Why is everything fighting me tonight? Coffee cup, love for home in the background, lost in the maze under this rusty crown. Me at an unjacked stance, heart beating with delay. Every short circuit feels like my own mistake. I'm tired of chasing every broken line, tired of reading schematic like they're warning signs. But I stay, 'cause when the headlights finally shine, all this pain inside the wiring turns to something mine. Shrink dreams on the floor, zip ties like a prayer, harness running through the fire war. I'm breathing dust in the air, molten bitter blinking softly, like it's judging every choice. Car ain't speaking back to me, but I swear it has a voice. Maybe I connect too much, not just wires but broken things, trying to fix the world with copper strands and hopes they bring. Maybe that's why I'm here in the dim of this garage, finding meaning in the mess between the sparks and sabotage. shade. Sweat and smoke, a lullaby. Shifting gears, I learned to fly. Didn't ask, didn't plead. I just gave it what it needs. Lights blink slow, red and white. Shadows race beside the night. Every failure, every scar got me here inside this car. It's alive when I breathe. 8 hearts under me. Didn't think I'd make it real, but the fire's in the steel. I don't know, sound deep, lily old, go sweet. Now they know, now they see. It's not just a car, it's me. Till you built your own dream. I don't go, sound deep. Let the demons fall asleep. Did it all, couldn't fake. Now the ground starts to shake. Sweat and smoke, a lullaby. Shifting gears, I learned to fly. Didn't ask, didn't plead. I just gave it what it needs. Lights blink slow, red and white. Shadows race beside the night. Every failure, every scar got me here inside this car. It's alive when